Hey guys,
Hi.
Hi guys!
Wow. Hi.
Hi. By the way, surprise, are you single?
Hi, hope you all are doing good.
What did interest just ask me out?
Ew, interest. Have some respect, man.
Woohoo! Congrats, surprise! When are you getting married?
Oof, glad he didn't ask me out.
guys, calm down. We're not here for all this.
So, why are you here?
We are here to make Andrew feel better.
What?
Wow! It will be fun, wouldn't it? I'm excited. Wait, can we feel the emotions we already are?
Yeah, that's what we are. Emotions, and our task is to make Andrew feel better.
But wait, can't you do it alone? At the end, you are happiness. You don't need us. By the way, are you single?
Don't even try. And no, it's a collective effort.
Wait, what?
Wait, who invited you?
Can we mold ourselves into another emotion? Because happiness just converted into anger.
Come on, happiness, don't be absurd.
Yes, we can get totally converted into a different emotion. And that's what he's for. He wants us to convert into depression. So guys, keep your shit together.
Woohoo! We're gonna have a war! Emotions 3. Or is it 4? Wait, who gives a damn? We are in a bloody war!
Hey guys, anyone up for ice cream?
Oh, yes. I'm in.
No way. What do you want?
Nothing much, but just high excitement. Remember when you got too excited while dancing on stage that you fell off from the stage and was hospitalized for 3 days and then everyone laughed at you?
Then I changed into embarrassment, and it took me weeks to get back to normal. I wish I was less excited that day.
Hey Relief, remember at the last exam when you finished your paper 30 minutes early and you felt so relieved, and then you wasted 20 minutes by looking out of window. Then you turned the paper and you came to know that there are 7 more questions at the back. Then you failed and you had to give supplementary.
I never felt more adrenaline rush in my whole life than I did in those 10 remaining minutes. I felt so bad after that. Everyone was enjoying after the exams.
Hey Pride, remember when you told your friends that your favorite color is pink and your friends they ended up teasing you?
I knew. I should have never told them that. I kept it secret from so many years. But that day, I was drunk, full of pride.
Stop it! He's trying to convert you.
Hey Interest, remember when you proposed that girl that you thought apparently liked you, but then she threw that flower on your damn face in front of everyone?
How can I forget that? Everyone lost interest in me after that.
Hey Kindness, remember when you tried helping that old lady and she started shouting that you are assaulting her? After that, some people gathered around till you cleared the misunderstanding.
Yeah, I felt guilty after that. I felt as if I shouldn't help anyone.
But you did.
What?
You did help. Remember, you helped that puppy from drowning and that cat when its paw was stuck in the tree branch and that blind man to cross the road?
Yes, I did.
Exactly. Because we can't stop being ourselves no matter how broken we are, how messed up we are. We feel something inevitable that neither this depression nor anyone can change. Because that's what we are, the real us.
But
And now, Hey depression, remember when Andrew was really sad about something and then a little girl gave him a flower?
But the flower was broken. Half wet, its petals were falling out.
That's your problem. You don't get it. It was not about the flower. It was about that smile. That smile on her face while giving the flower. That's what mattered. Not the half-wet flower, but her heart whose emotions reacted this way because she can't see anyone sad. Because that's her. That's her inevitable something.
Remember, after some days, when the girl came back and apologized to Andrew in front of everyone, and then Andrew smiled.
Remember when that kid complimented Andrew's pink shirt the other day and he smiled?
No, but
Remember when everyone came to the hospital to check on Andrew with those favorite chocolate of his and he smiled?
Remember, although we failed in that exam, but those 20 minutes of relief, seeing out of the window into the outside silent world, into the world of that son and mother living in that cottage and smiling.
Remember when everyone surprised Andrew on his birthday with a skateboard and he smiled?
Remember all those little things, that little card made of crayons, that ray of sunshine in those rainy days, that slow song which he found out of the blue, that interesting graffiti he found on that old wall at the back street, that spot in the middle of forest he found that no one was about. Those little smiles he finds daily on the faces of friends, so-called friends, strangers, acquaintances, himself or anyone. It is all those little things, those little smiles which makes the life worth living.
She left the chat. So where were we?
Hey Nostalgia, are you single?